Okay, so this is the process just like we talked about on the weekend. So anytime you see a diagram like this is your method section again. So you have a research question, and again, your research question might be, is there a significant difference in happiness given puppy therapy? All right, and so you've got three groups, your control group, your 15-minute group, and you got your 30-minute group, and you collect data on happiness between those three groups. And remember, those are individual groups. Those are different people in every single group. So I have my data, and what you're going to do is check for outliers. And if there are outliers, the way you check for them is your descriptives, box plots, your histograms, like you do in the earlier chapters. Check for homogeneity of regression slopes, and if that is broken, you use what's called a multi-level model, which we're not going to go into detail here. And then you check for independence of the treatment variable and the covariate. You correct any problems that exist. You run your ANCOVA. You do any follow-up tests, and your follow-up tests are just like we did with ANOVA. If you had specific hypothesis statements, you do your planned comparisons. If you have no hypothesis or non-specific hypothesis, you do a post hoc, and then you calculate effect size. So that's the process of running your ANCOVA.